What do you do at that table?
Let's see.
What happens at that table? Is that where you do Play-Doh, or is that where you eat lunch? You eat lunch, okay. Good job. Oh, you're going to put all the people there? Beckett, who's the teacher?
Oh, me.
You're the teacher?
Yeah.
Wow. What are you guys studying today?
Spaghetti.
You're gonna learn about spaghetti?
Yeah.
Wow.
But I eat spaghetti at school.
Oh, okay.
I eat spaghetti at school.
Do you love spaghetti?
Yep.
What color is spaghetti?
Blue.
It's blue.
Yep.
Blue spaghetti?
Blue spaghetti.
Wow. Do you put sauce on it?
Yep. Me.
What color sauce is it?
Blue.
Blue sauce on blue spaghetti?
Yep.
Sounds pretty good.
Yep.
Good job.
My food.
Did everybody get some spaghetti?
Oh,
No?
oh wait. What? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey, come inside. Hello, Polly. Hello, Polly, kids. Hello, Polly. 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 Hello, Polly.